Hello, Hero Makers. Welcome to Nurturing Tomorrow's Leaders, where I help busy school counselors teach kids with ready made lessons that are meaningful, fun, and aligned with ASCA standards. I'm Lynn Watts, and today I'm here to tell you about an activity that you can use with several of the stories to learn by. In the book, Wyatt the Wonder Dog Learns About Giving, Wyatt makes a paper chain to use as a countdown until Christmas. Here it is, right in the back of the book that shows you how to do that. Each day, he tears off a paper link in anticipation of the upcoming holiday. Of course, a countdown chain can be used in anticipation of counting the days to any event, such as the end of school or the end of summer vacation, and so on. However, there are lots of other ways to use a paper chain. You could give each child a paper link, have them put their name on it, and then create a paper chain of all the children in the classroom. Use the paper chain to talk about how we're all connected or how we can all work together cooperatively or as a team. And you might use that activity along with Wyatt's book about cooperation or about teamwork. You could also use a paper chain to have children talk about how we are alike and how we're different. So have a paper link of different colors and have each child pick out the link that is their favorite color. And then you could have the children find other children in the classroom who like the same favorite color as they do. Or if that's a little too chaotic, you might just call out a color and have the students with that color paper link come up and use that to create a paper chain, putting together the colors that are the same and then connecting all of those different colors together into one long paper chain. Then we can talk about how we all have some things in common and, of course, differences, different things that we like and different interests. You might ask the question, can we be friends with someone who is different from us, who likes different things or has different interests? And you might talk about why it's a good thing that we're not all exactly alike. So you can find all of the Wyatt the Wonder Dog books on Amazon. Each book is a grab and go lesson with discussion questions in the back and an activity that you can do to extend the story. In addition, to access lots of free resources, visit nurturingtomorrowsleaders.com. Thanks for changing children's lives one lesson at a time, and thanks for listening.